because they're west, we're facing west, but love it. Continued the custom built-ins over the fan coil units with storage area. But the two movable panels, this left one and the center one, are there because the building has to get at there's a drain that they might have to snake because sometimes the water gets clogged going to the main unit, so that's in there. We have another fresh air supply coming in here. Again, wood, the same wood floors throughout, but the Habitat wireless thermostats are what's in every room. And I think that this is a lovely, cozy little den. Also serves as another, if they should have, I think, a sleeper sofa. And here's what I believe I had thought was in the plan originally to me. So it's perfect for having then two complete separate bedrooms for their children and guests. And as we go down this hall, we have a very low ceiling, and that's because there's ventilation that we can't change. It comes in through this central, this is a spillover closet, which is just another huge walk-in closet, and we'll do B-roll of this, but again, pocket door to conceal it. All my pocket doors have magnet relay switches so that they go off and on as you open the door. Love the finishes we picked with California Closet and this kind of like brass. It's like an antique brass. And the material that's used on this, that's laminated on this is, it looks a lot like wallpaper, so it's really pretty. It's not white, it's not boring white. So as we carry on and come back here to the guest area, we have a main bath, a hall bath, and this bathroom has a gorgeous Victorian album tub. It has my frameless shower doors. It has towel warmer. It has, this is Vogue from Canada. They're in every bath, by the way, except the powder bath. And we have incorporated this is Roburn, electric, with the side lights, the LED side lights, which we also love. We have furniture guild sinks, the bidet toilet Toto. This is Vola. Vola is, I think he's from Danish. Incredibly beautiful bath fixtures, I must say, from Honor. And then I always have my niche and the handheld shower. What's really great about this, all of this, the mechanisms of these, is that these little rubber water outlets are very easy to remove the scale. You just use your fingers and they come right off. So you don't have any of that hard water residue buildup that you often have in those shower heads. They're always a problem. Porcelanosa has this most beautiful tile that looks just like marble. And we did the whole bathroom. Love it. Do a lighter gray tile grout on the floor. And the consistency of the hardware everywhere is just spectacular. And there's also the new heat. I think this is the new heat flooring here. So everything's phenomenal. And let's just take a look at the guest room now. So our managed Wi-Fi is here. It's in the den because that also covers the living room, and it's also in that closet by the service entrance, so that and then one more area is between the sitting room and the primary bedroom, because there was a weak signal here and a weak signal with Verizon when I was over here with them, that we realized we needed to have a managed Wi-Fi system. So we've incorporated this Uni6 wall system, and this one actually is wired to the Cat, to the Cat6 cable, and has the ports. So we have, it's just phenomenal. We have strong Wi-Fi throughout the apartment, and then they can incorporate whatever their gamer consoles or whatever there are behind the TV. So that's exciting. And of course, more visual comfort lighting. I think this light is the same that's also in the guest and the primary and sitting area. Here we have another Roman shade in front. These are manually controlled. The other rooms, the primary bedroom and the sitting room, are wired. But again, this will have, this is a lockout shade here. And this will have a balance in front of it that's going to match the fabric Roman shade. But it's absolutely beautiful. And every closet, except the pocket door closet, has this full-length mirror, which I think is important for anybody. I can't believe how many people don't take a look when they leave their buildings. Anyway, so we have a beautiful walk-in closet here, and I'm happy to say that I think we've just done an incredible job. I can't wait for them to see them, because the installers were so impressed that we managed these pretty little specs space. But that's what you do, right? That's what you do. But let's go take a look now at the piece de resistance, which is the primary suite.